Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Okay, I'm going to be in the workshop tonight working, but I just wanted to show you guys the snow that came yesterday. We were out of snow. Like, it had all melted. And now we got like 8 inches yesterday. It's pretty though, huh? Pretty dangerous on the roads, but it's pretty. So I'm not going to film a lot driving today. It's a little icy. But I just wanted to show you. Because I know some of you are in the south and you don't get to see this. Look how pretty. It's so pretty. My dog is loving it. She's just, Margot's like, ooh. Oh, intersection. Oh my, gotta go. So we are back in the shop. And I sanded these. And I'm going to let the dust settle. So I got the sticker off. I had to sand it off. So, there's still a little spot. 1 second. Now it's gone. Yes, I realize I'm overdressed for this. I should have just changed my clothes, but I didn't. I just threw the sun over it to keep paint off stuff. To keep paint off my work clothes. This is my work clothes. I want to paint the bottom of this because I didn't paint the feeties yesterday. Because I wanted to be able to set it back up and paint the inside. So now I've got to do the feeties. But the inside looks pretty good. The outside looks all right. I mean, I missed some spots. The top looks good. And it looks all right. Looks good. It's good enough. And there's some touch up. Like, for some reason, every time I do an edge, I get a big drip. Oh, look at that. I didn't see that. I'm going to have to get some little brushes out and get in there. But anyway, I want to do it upside down. So let me go get my paintbrush. I just didn't want sanding dust all over it. So we're going to wait just a hot second for the dust to settle. And then we'll get after it. Because I just finished sanding those and it's still kind of hazy in here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I can see it. Like I can look around and go, stuff is still... I have a little vacuum thing on the end of it, but you know, they don't work. They don't work. So anyway, tomorrow I work Vintage Junkie. I don't know. I feel like I just want a day to myself. Like I haven't had a day to myself in a really long time. It's just been running, and then picket fences next week. So running. Just want a day to myself. So for those of you who yesterday said that this was grayish, I think I would 100% agree with that assessment. Still not green. Not green at all. I can't wait to paint that green. The green that I have, the Irish Garden green from the all-in-one paint. I can't wait to paint that. Get that on there with the black. Oh, it's going to look so good. You know how I normally have like color atrophy where I'm like, I don't know what color to do. No, I knew. Does anyone else have that? Like that you put the first stroke of paint on and you go, ugh, made a huge mistake. Like this was the worst mistake I've ever made on furniture ever. No one will buy it. Everyone will hate it. I have made a huge mistake. I forgot to tell you guys, I've had a couple Etsy sales. Etsy's been picking up again. Obviously, it's Cyber Week, so it should, right? But I posted those light reflectors, and they have sold already. Shipped them out today. And then I realized they hadn't paid me at all. So I'm like, I'm on that every day, right? If it's over $25, you get a deposit the next day situation. And it turns out that you have a payment account. So like if you're going, you know, to relist things and all this stuff. My check card has expired. I got a new one in October. Did they email me and say, hey, your card has expired. We need you to update it? No, because I forget where my card is stored, right? Like all these places. No, didn't even think about it. That was not one of the ones that I was thinking about, right? Because of that, they did not pay me. And I kept thinking, shouldn't I have got a deposit? Because this was 2 days ago. I made those sales. So this morning at like 5:30 in the morning, I'm going, wait a minute. Didn't I got a deposit yesterday? And I didn't get a deposit yesterday. And I go in and I look, and sure enough, oh, no, we can't pay you because your payment card is expired. So we're going to hold your money and siphon it off 30 cents at a time until we can't siphon anymore. I made those sales in October too. And I was sitting there thinking, I guess I just didn't even realize I didn't get paid for them. Like the November, all of November. And I had a few. But I was like, so like none of them? I didn't get paid for none of them. So I fixed it, and they finally did make the deposit today because I'm like, they better put it in today because I fixed it before they woke up. So there's no reason for them not to make my deposit. So they finally did. But I was like, how did I not notice that? I mean, I get text messages when deposits are made into my account and withdrawals. So it's like, you think I know this stuff? Nope. Let's move on. Let's move on to the new project that I really want to work on. I need a table. Maybe I should just buy, like, no, you know what? My husband hates the TV trays, the old wooden TV trays that we've had forever and ever and ever. I just stick one in here. Then he'd probably miss it, huh? Then he'd be like, where'd the TV tray go? You said you hated them. Well, I didn't say I wanted them to go away. Oh, God. Yeah. Okay, we've had that fight now. We'll just move on. I'm going to go wash my brush. Let's at least do one tonight. Just one. One side. Let's do it. Heirloom Traditions, all in one paint. This is the one that had the Mediterranean blue. Love that blue. I absolutely love that blue. It was a stunner. It's kind of, that was another one where I put it on the first time and went, and then when it was done, it was like, oh no, I see it. Yes, I will still mix this. I'm just shaking it. Just the pre-shake. I don't seal right. That's my green. I don't know why I'm smelling it. I don't. There it is. That's a pretty green. It's like a soft gray green. Reminds me of vintage greens. That's why I liked it. All right, here we go. Woohoo! It's so pretty. Those of you who are worried about why I'm brushing, it's because I enjoy it. Ready? Yep. I'm happy with that. At least one of them painted tonight, right? Got room for one. It is late in the day, so I knew I wasn't going to have time to paint the whole thing today. So I got to get up at the butt crack of dawn, take the kid to school, do Vintage Junkie, open the store tomorrow, see my customers. very much enjoy that part of the job, so I don't want to miss it. Obviously going to need extra coats, but otherwise it looks good. Very pretty. Pretty. See it with the black? The color together is so good. So good. Jimmy Cricket, now I gotta go deal with the dog. Val from Vintage Chucky was texting me pictures that she needed prices on. I said, well, it's gonna be a little bit. She goes, what? You mean you're not there yet? You're usually so early. I just responded, yeah, I know I'm slacking. I'm getting old. The store doesn't open till 10 and I get in at like 7:30. Tomorrow I might go to Target first. I get in at 7:30 because I go down there to drop my daughter off for school. There's no reason to run all the way home to come all the way back to the store. So I just go and, do my thing and get all ready. But she's always like the heat doesn't even come up. And I said that one day, I said, can you turn the heat up? It's really cold in here. And she goes, yeah, no one else gets there this early. I am a morning person. This is all I'm going to get done today. I do have to go to bed. Like I said, I am a morning person. So this feels like super late to me. I have to go do some other stuff, get that done, and then go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Happy junkin'. Bye. Look how pretty that is. Pretty.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.